Navigating the complexities of Social Security disability claims can be daunting. A crucial aspect often overlooked is maintaining a comprehensive list of healthcare providers. This seemingly simple step plays a pivotal role in determining the outcome of your case. Your medical records serve as concrete evidence of your disability, and a complete list ensures that the Social Security Administration, or SSA, has access to all relevant information. When you file for disability benefits, the SSA meticulously reviews your medical history to assess the severity of your condition. They need to understand how your medical condition impacts your ability to work. A detailed list of your healthcare providers, along with their contact information, allows the SSA to efficiently request records from each provider. Without a complete list, the SSA may not have a full picture of your medical history. This gap in information can lead to delays in processing your claim, or worse, a denial of benefits. Imagine the SSA only having access to records from your primary care physician, while overlooking visits to specialists who can provide more specific insights into your condition. Therefore, compiling and maintaining an accurate and up-to-date list of your healthcare providers is not just a matter of organization, it's a strategic step towards building a strong disability case. This list acts as a roadmap for the SSA, guiding them to the evidence that supports your claim. By ensuring that your medical history is well documented and readily accessible, you significantly increase your chances of a favorable outcome. When compiling your medical records, it's essential to understand which documents hold significant weight in disability cases. These records paint a comprehensive picture of your health condition and its impact on your daily life. Firstly, records from your primary care physician are crucial. These records establish a timeline of your health, showing when your condition first surfaced and how it has progressed. Secondly, reports from specialists are vital, especially if your condition necessitates specialized care. Specialists can provide in-depth analyses of your condition, its severity, and its prognosis, which are crucial for the SSA to determine your eligibility for benefits. Furthermore, don't underestimate the importance of test results, such as blood work, X-rays, and MRIs. These objective findings provide concrete evidence of your condition's existence and severity. They offer visual confirmation of your claims and can be instrumental in supporting your case. Equally important are records of treatments you've received. These treatments might include medication prescriptions, physical therapy sessions, or surgical procedures. Failing to maintain comprehensive medical records can have detrimental effects on your disability claim. When the SSA doesn't have access to all relevant medical information, it becomes challenging for them to accurately assess the severity of your condition and its impact on your ability to work. This lack of information can lead to skepticism about the legitimacy of your claim. Imagine a scenario where you've been diligently visiting a pain management specialist for a chronic back condition. However, you forget to include this specialist in the list you provide to the SSA. The SSA, unaware of your ongoing pain management efforts, might perceive your condition as less severe than it actually is. This oversight could result in a denial of your claim, simply because crucial evidence was missing. Incomplete medical records can also lead to significant processing delays. The SSA may need to request additional information from you, leading to a back-and-forth exchange of documents that can prolong the decision-making process. This delay can be incredibly stressful, especially when you're relying on disability benefits to meet your financial needs. In some cases, incomplete medical records can even raise red flags, prompting the SSA to investigate your claim further. Conversely, consider the real-life impact of a well-documented medical history. Imagine a person named Sarah who suffers from a debilitating autoimmune disease. She has been meticulous in keeping track of her medical journey, maintaining a detailed list of every doctor, specialist, and therapist she has seen. When Sarah files for disability benefits, she confidently submits her comprehensive medical records to the SSA. The SSA, equipped with a complete picture of Sarah's condition, can clearly see the severity of her illness and how it prevents her from maintaining employment. The thorough documentation supports Sarah's claims, leaving no room for doubt or skepticism. As a result, Sarah's disability claim is approved promptly. The SSA recognizes the legitimacy of her condition and the impact it has on her ability to work. Sarah's well-documented medical history has made all the difference. It has provided the SSA with the evidence needed to make an informed and fair decision, ensuring that she receives the financial support she needs. Organizing your medical history effectively is paramount when preparing for a disability claim. Start by creating a dedicated file or binder specifically for your medical records. This centralized system will prevent documents from being scattered and lost. When organizing your files, consider using chronological order. This method provides a clear timeline of your medical journey, making it easier for the SSA to follow your health progression. For each healthcare provider, create a separate section within your file. Label each section clearly with the provider's name, contact information, and dates of service. This organization ensures that you can quickly locate specific records when needed. Within each provider's section, arrange your records in chronological order. This approach allows the SSA to see the evolution of your condition and the treatments you have received over time. Maintaining an accurate medical provider list is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. After each doctor's appointment, therapy session, or hospital visit, take a moment to update your list. This proactive approach ensures that your records remain current. Regularly review your list for any errors or omissions. Verify contact information, double-check dates, and ensure that you haven't overlooked any healthcare providers. If you've seen a new provider, gather their contact information and the dates of your visits. Promptly update your medical provider list with these details to maintain its accuracy. Remember, your medical provider list is a living document. By keeping it updated and accurate, you streamline the disability claim process and increase your chances of a favorable outcome.